The Lord's Resistance Army is one of the most brutal and vicious rebel groups operating in Africa today. For close to 2 decades, Joseph Kony and his LRA followers have terrorized citizens, innocent citizens in Uganda, the Central African Republic, South Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. All of these countries have good relations with the United States, and we believe that working with them to eliminate this rebel force will help strengthen the capacity of all of those countries to improve their economic performance and to strengthen their political stability. The Kenyan authorities have borne a substantial amount of the burden of the instability that has prevailed in Somalia for the last 2 decades. Kenya plays host today to some nearly 600,000 Somali refugees. Kenya has been subjected to a number of attacks by al-Shabaab terrorist groups, and we have seen in recent weeks and months a number of tourists in northern Kenya abducted and killed by groups coming out of Somalia. The Kenyans have, as any country does, a right to defend its territory and its national sovereignty, and to fight back against groups that are threatening its people and its stability. We have not provided Kenya with any cross-border assistance. We were not privy to their decision to go across the border. It is their decision and not something that we were consulted about. Rwanda plays a very important role as one of Africa's strongest peacekeeping partners. It's been a major and positive contributor to peacekeeping forces in the Darfur region, and it also has contributed peacekeepers and police officers to the UN contingent in Haiti. They're to be applauded for this work. The visit also gives me an opportunity to see the enormous changes and developments that have gone on here. Many people on the outside regard the economic and development progress here as some of the best in Africa.